Would you believe that using diapers for gardening can help you with growing plants? This is true. Disposable diapers, which are made to make your child comfortable, can be used for gardening because of their amazing water absorbing ability. Diapers are made of a permeable barrier of cotton, fiber, and moisture absorbing crystal. This incredible mix allows the disposable diaper to retain moisture for an extended period of time. Despite being non-biodegradable products, disposable diapers can help potted plants in your garden. For this to work, you require an unused diaper, 4 cups of water, potting soil, and 2 large bowls. No need to separate the cotton fibers from crystals as they will absorb the water. Now, pour water into the diaper and allow it to soak. Then, tear it and pull sodium polyarsenide crystals. These are those amazing gel like substance which will help the water retention. After you have pulled this amazing gel like substance into the bowl, if it is not yet jelly, add some more water if required to form the gel. Then add equal parts of potting soil in another bowl and then pour this gel into that bowl. Now it can be a 50-50 ratio, it can be a 30-40 ratio. It depends on the absorbability of the soil you are using. So keep that thing in mind. Mix them and you will have super absorbable, lightweight and fluffy soil. At first remember to reduce watering as the plant will pull out the moisture from the hydrogel in diapers. So by using this hack you are not only saving much needed water but you are also helping your plants grow at a double rate, and by chance if you miss watering your plants they will draw moisture from these gels. Isn't it amazing? Yes. And if you have ruined your plants with overwatering, no need to worry. Just sprinkle this lovely little diaper crystals and you will be saved. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and there is also a subscribe button below. If you haven't clicked it yet, work it out as we will be bringing you more amazing content like this one. Thank you. Peace.